How to log into HSBC Credit Card Account. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to logging or signing into HSBC Credit Card Account. Without further ado, let's begin. First, launch your preferred browser. Navigate to the search bar at top of your screen and type in hsbc.co.in. So let's type in and press enter on your keyboard. Now you will reach on the official interface of HSBC. So sign in, click on login button at top right corner of your screen. And now you simply need to click on continue to log on with browser. Here you are on the login section of HSBC. Simply enter your username and click on continue button. If you're not registered for personal internet banking, you can click on the link underneath this and follow on the screen prompts and register. And after that, you simply need to enter your password in the other section. So let's continue and then enter the password, and following the on screen prompts, you will successfully log into your HSBC credit card account. And that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.